National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for central Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, northwestern DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Forsyth County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Cobb County in north-central Georgia, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Marietta, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado in quarter-size scale. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Marietta, Lawrenceville, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Johns Creek, Alpharetta, Smyrna, Dunwoody, Duluth, Sugar Hill, Swanee, Beaufort, Lilburn, Chambly, Norcross, Doraville, Berkeley Lake, Fair Oaks, Dalpins Air Reserve Basin, Nog Mountain. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466, or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.